Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whenever we set a target on something or whenever say we aspire for something, we always try to see the fit, whether we belong to that place, whether we can achieve that or not. For example, if somebody in his 12th class wants to become an engineer, he would always try to assess whether I have that skills or whether I would be the right fit or whether I would be able to crack IIT or not. So we give a lot of thought to that. Similarly, whenever many of you are thinking about preparation for RBI Grade B, there might be many doubts in your mind, and one of them can be obviously that do I have the requisite skills to crack this exam? क्या मेरे में वो पोटेंशियल है जो इस एग्जाम को क्रैक करने के लिए चाहिए? और इन अदर वर्ड्स सिंपली एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर वेदर आई वुड बी द राइट फिट टू गिव दिस एग्जाम एंड क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, वुड दैट बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी? तो वो क्या स्किल्स हैं? वैसे बहुत सारी स्किल्स हैं, मतलब देखा जाए तो मतलब एक वर्ड में शायद कुछ लोग बोल देंगे इंटेलिजेंस होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए. यस, यू कैन हैव डिफरेंट व्यूज ऑन दैट, बट मैं आपको तीन स्किल्स बताने वाला हूं विच इन माय ओपिनियन दे होल्ड अ ग्रेट वैल्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्रैकिंग दिस एग्जाम इन पर्टिकुलर. तो वो तीन स्किल्स क्या हैं? सबसे पहली स्किल जो मुझे लगता है जो इस एग्जाम को क्रैक करने के लिए चाहिए वो है एबिलिटी टू रिटेन. Ability to retain. And why I'm telling you this, see, if you see the nature of the exam, it is heavily current affairs based in phase 1 and phase 2 also. And most of the questions that are asked from the current affairs are factual in nature. Yes, some kind of understanding is required, but at the end of the day, just a mere understanding will not suffice. You have to cram a lot of facts, you have to retain a lot of data to secure good marks here. So ability to retain in whatever manner, either through mind maps or through cramming, whatever. I mean, that is your skill, that I leave it to you, but you must have ability to retain. The second thing which I feel is the general aptitude. General aptitude. And why do I say this? Obviously, to crack any exam, I mean, you require a good amount of aptitude, right? But अब finance और economics में भी you need a certain level of aptitude to understand them and to get good score in them. But it's not about aptitude in finance or economics. I think they are doable. Where do you require the aptitude the most? I would say is in phase 1, especially the quant and reasoning part. They're purely aptitude based. अगर आपका एप्टीट्यूड अच्छा है, आई वुड से दैट यू डोंट रिक्वायर मच प्रिपरेशन. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कोई एक साल लगेगा आपको क्वांट रीजनिंग करने में. आई थिंक विद इन 30-40 days यू कैन कवर क्वांट एंड विद इन अनदर 30-40 days यू कैन डू रीजनिंग. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस just to build the momentum. But if you have a good aptitude, just doing the basics will not take much time. और जिनका वो aptitude अच्छा नहीं है, they might struggle. Quant में I have seen people even after studying for 5-6 months they are not able to make headway because बहुत tough questions आ रहे हैं. They are not clear as in how to even approach these questions. Forget about solving them. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं एक aptitude की कमी है. अगर आप में वो है तो that's a concern for you. Definitely that's a concern for you. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उस पर काम नहीं कर सकते हो, आप कर सकते हो, but you need to have patience and it would be a very time consuming task which will be a long term process rather than doing that in 2 to 3 months. And the third skill I would say which you require apart from ability to retain and journal aptitude is ability. Can you guess it? Ability to express your thoughts. This is very, very important. See, it's not just about interview. Many people say that, yes, sir, interview is about, how do you express yourself, how your body language is, how your face expression is, how your hand movement is. Yes, it's important in interview. But trust me, it's not only about interview. Even in phase 2, when you count in descriptive writing, it's all about your ability to express thoughts. ऐसा नहीं है जो अच्छा नहीं लिख रहा है उसको आता नहीं है. He also knows a lot, but at the end of the day, what you write, how do you express is what is going to be counted while you are being assigned marks, while you are being evaluated on that. So ability to express your thoughts first in a structured manner, there is a flow, and second in a compact or a terse manner. That is also important. Sometimes Just to say a simple thing, you take 4 lines, whereas somebody else can say the same point in 1 line. So in a structured, logically linking manner and a terse manner, I would say are the two basic skills where you need to excel to express your thoughts. And obviously for interview, as I told you, expressing thoughts is one thing. Apart from that, your body language, your face expression, your eye movement, all that would matter. And this is the toughest of the skill, I would say, among the three, which which is toughest in terms of learning. It won't come easy. Either it is genetic, or you learn through your schooling, or you learn through your exposure, or you learn through practice. So यहाँ पे हमें काफी प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत पड़ सकती है, बट ये सीखी जा सकती है. ठीक है, it's I would say here also it's about 50% confidence and 50% practice, but that 50% confidence you will also gain once you are done with that 50% practice. So these three basic skills, ठीक है, I would say ये होनी चाहिए. अगर आपका एप्टीट्यूड बहुत ही बेकार है, या यू आर वेरी बैड इन कम्युनिकेटिंग और एक्सप्रेसिंग योर थॉट्स, आई थिंक यू वुड हैव अ वेरी हार्ड टाइम इन क्रैकिंग दिस एग्जाम. कर सकते हो, बट इन चीजों पे काम कर ये मत एज्यूम करना कि इनके बिना ही देयर वुड बी सम मैजिक वैंड कमिंग इनटू योर लाइफ एंड यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक द एग्जाम. राइट, ऐसा नहीं होगा. इसको करना मुश्किल है, बट इसको करना ही पड़ेगा इफ यू आर एमिंग फॉर आरबीआई ग्रेड बी. ठीक है, तो इतना ही बताना चाहता था मैं, क्योंकि काफी लोग कंफ्यूज रहते हैं वेदर आई एम द राइट फिट और नॉट. बाकी फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड, इकोनॉमिक्स बैकग्राउंड होना, आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स मच ऑफ अ फस. पेपर बेसिक आता है, थोड़ा स्ट्रगल तो देखो करना पड़ेगा. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने इकोनॉमिक्स की बुक उठाई एंड यू आर फ्रॉम नॉन इकोनॉमिक्स बैकग्राउंड एंड जस्ट विद इन 2 days यू वुड बी डन विद योर इकोनॉमिक्स. नो, it will take time, but it's doable. If you have a decent aptitude to solve quant and reasoning questions of high level, you can definitely learn economics and finance also. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. ठीक है, और ये हमारी गाइड बुक है फॉर आरबीआई ग्रेड बी, विच हैज लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, स्पेशली इफ यू आर न्यू टू आरबीआई. You get all the information with respect to RBI as an organization. RBI करती क्या है, all the departments, hierarchies, promotions, salary, offices, everything is detailed out here, and it's very colorful and compact. You can read it easily. With respect to exam preparation, you will get 3 things: the detailed previous year papers along with solutions, the detailed book list, and the detailed syllabus, which has been outlined here after analyzing the previous year papers. And this is available for free. You can download this by going to the description of this video. There is a link to download this guidebook. Download it today. Read it for yourself, by yourself, because this will literally take you into a different world and give you the motivation to crack this exam. With that, I take your leave. And meanwhile, if you feel that there is any other skill which is required to crack this exam, please do not hesitate and put your comments in the comment section. We would be happy to know from your side. Have a nice day. Bye bye.